Welcome to this section of the video tutorials for Q-View Software 3.0. In this video, we'll discuss the minimum computer specifications required to install Q-View, the installation and setup process, and how to uninstall the Q-View software. Before you install the Q-View software, please be sure that you are working on a PC with the following minimum specifications. The operating system must be Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 or 8, and can be either 32 or 64-bit. The 32-bit version of Java 7.0 or greater must be installed. 2 GB of RAM are also required. For optimal performance, your PC should meet or exceed 3 or more gigabytes of RAM, 2 or more processing cores, and the newest 32-bit version of Java 7.0 or greater. If you don't have the Q-View application installer, please talk to your Quansys sales representative or request a free copy from info@quansysbio.com. Launch the Q-View installer and follow the instructions. If a JRE not found prompt appears, go to www.java.com to install the latest 32-bit version of Java. Relaunch the Q-View installer after installing Java. Once Q-View is installed, launch it to begin initial setup. Click either Evaluate Q-View to start a 20-day trial or enter your assigned company name and license code. Keep in mind that any settings you select during setup can be adjusted later. You may end the setup process at any time, but your settings will not be saved until you complete the setup. Next, you can set up user accounts. If you enable user accounts, users will have to log in with a username and password. Clicking No will bypass user account setup and take you directly to the imager setup. Click Yes to set the password and password hint for the default administrator account. Make sure to record this password as it cannot be retrieved if forgotten. You then have the option to set up more user accounts. Finally, connect and calibrate your imager. If you do not need to connect and calibrate an imager, click No to launch the software. If you have a Q-View imager to connect, click Yes. To connect a Q-View imager to your computer, first, place the Q-View imager on a flat, clean work area. Connect the wall cord to the imager power supply. Plug the wall cord into a surge protector. Then connect the imager USB cord into your computer. If the imager glass is dusty, clean it with a lint-free cloth and ethanol, rubbing alcohol, or window cleaner. After you've connected your imagers, click Continue and Q-View will begin scanning for your imager. Once Q-View has recognized the imager, click Continue and follow the instructions on calibrating your imager. Q-View can be uninstalled through your computer's control panel or by opening the Q-View installer and clicking Remove.